The age between 16 to 22 is one of the most confusing yet deciding phases of our life. It is a time filled with doubt, fear, stress, anxiety, and even moments of depression. But it is also the time when we dream big, fail hard, learn fast, and grow more than ever. How we use this time will launch us towards our dream or set us back for the next 5 to 10 years. Hey everyone, my name is Lakshmi Mewala. I am a second year undergrad at Scalar in Bangalore, and in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 lessons which I wish someone had told me before, the lessons that I learned the hard way. As a wise man once said, you should learn from others' mistakes because you won't live that much long to make all by yourself. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, being an Indian, हमको बचपन से यही बोला जाता है, अच्छी मेहनत करो, get some good marks, फिर क्या, 10th के बाद जेई और नीट की प्रेप करो और उस रैट रेस में लग जाओ. वहां से एक अच्छा कॉलेज मिलने के बाद तो लाइफ सेट है, पर वहां जाके हम देखते हैं कि इस रैट रेस से निकले और दूसरी रैट रेस में आ गए. किसकी रेस? CGPA की रेस, internship की रेस, placement की रेस, and the list goes on. Well, this was the trend for past few years, but now the trend is really changing and companies are looking for people who can deliver work on time and not only good marks. So instead of totally focusing on marks, try to develop some good skills. Although मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि fail हो जाओ. Well, when you will finally decide to do something different, जब तुम finally सोच लोगे कि तुम्हें कुछ हटके करना है, चाहे वो content creation हो, singing हो, stock market हो और whatever. शुरुआत में तो ये बहुत exciting लगता है, लेकिन ये सच है कि कोई तुम्हें बताएगा नहीं कि असली में वो चीज सीखनी कैसी है. तुम भली कितने भी क्रैश कोर्सेज ले लो, किसी से भी पूछ लो, बट no one is going to tell you the real way how to learn that thing. So दिस इज वन ऑफ द थिंग विच आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम माई ओन, और वही सबसे बड़ा गेम चेंजर है. इसलिए एक लाइफ चेंजिंग लेसन जो मैंने खुद ने अपनी जर्नी में रियलाइज किया है इज लर्न हाउ टू लर्न. And if you have mastered how to learn anything, then you are already ahead of the 90% of the people.
Connections are the real asset. Try to build connections as opportunities come through people. Your friends, seniors, mentors, professors, they shape your mind and open doors for you. Connections are the real assets. Just one conversation can lead to internships, references, or even startup partnerships. So what are you waiting for? Just start posting on LinkedIn, social media, start talking to people, and you will soon see that your mind's aspects getting broader and broader and so on. Managing personal finance is a life skill that no one teaches. Just imagine you are living in a city far from your hometown and your monthly pocket money is rupees 5,000, but somehow you end up spending all of it within just 2 weeks. And now half of the month remains and you are left with none. Sound familiar? Because this is something most students go through at some point, and that's why managing personal finance is a life skill that everyone should learn. It is not just about earning, it is about spending wisely, saving smartly, and eventually investing intentionally. I know all this sounds tough, but let's be honest, no one knows your spending habits better than you do. The earlier you understand how money works, the sooner you will build freedom. Learning to budget, saving regularly, and understanding how compound interest works can literally change your life. Start small, but start today. Think again, who's in control? You or your money?
Lastly, you don't need to have it all figured out, but you do need to start. सोच रहे हो स्टार्टअप शुरू करने का या स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करने का, but you have zero knowledge about it? Yeah, this is scary. But believe it or not, every successful person out there started like this only. Whether it is Nikhil Kamath, Steve Jobs, or Bill Gates. The truth is, most people keep waiting for the right moment, the right major, the perfect idea, the ideal job. But progress doesn't wait. Progress happens when you try, fail, learn, and try again. Adopt a fail fast approach. Start trying out different things, whether it is coding, content creation, designing, finance, whatever clicks for you. If it doesn't suit you, change it, pivot, try again. Because this is the best time to explore. And who knows, what you start today can become your big break tomorrow. Remember, you don't need to have it all figured out, but what you do need is to start. Well, that's all from my side for today. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments below what's one thing that you always wanted to start, but for some reason you have been holding it back. Or just share something that ignites your passion and keeps you motivated. I would love to hear those. Until then, take care, keep growing. Bye bye.